Hello there! Today I'm going to explain a very useful English expression. It's high time. This little phrase can make your English sound much more natural, and honestly, it's quite fun to use. So what does it's high time actually mean? It means that something should have happened already, or now is the perfect moment for it to happen. You use it when you think something is overdue. Let's start with how we use it. Most of the time, you'll hear it's high time with a past simple verb, even though you're talking about now or the future. Strange, right? But that's English for you. For example, it's high time you cleaned your room. Here, I'm not talking about the past. I mean, you should clean your room now, or you should have done it already. But wait, you can also use it's high time with other forms. If you want to be less specific, try using to plus a verb. It's high time to go home. This is less common, but you'll still hear it. You can even add complements to make your sentence more interesting. For example, it's high time we started taking care of the planet. Or, it's high time for a change. Let's look at a few more examples. It's high time you learned to cook. It's high time they fixed the roads. It's high time for you to meet my friends. Now, let's check your understanding. Which is correct? A. It's high time you go to bed. B. It's high time you went to bed. Write your answer in the comments. If you enjoyed learning, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, and check out my other videos for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.